Attack of the alien species. Florida's Everglades are under attack. Human activity has altered the landscape. Waterways have been drained and rerouted to pave the way for development. As their habitat shrinks, many plants and animals have become endangered. Those with the responsibility for conserving these natural resources are blaming a surprising element: the invasion of alien species. No, space creatures have not landed in the Sunshine State. When wildlife experts talk about alien species, they mean plants and animals that are not native to a particular habitat. Why is this a problem? Consider what happens in an ecosystem like the Everglades. Here, thousands of plants and animals coexist in harmony, each with its own role to perform. Birds and frogs thin out insects population. Bees pollinate plants, helping replenish food supplies. One species cannot crowd others out because checks and balances regulate this unique arrangement. Non native or exotic species upset this balance, destroying the native species and eventually the habitat itself. A few years ago, tourists visited the Everglades National Park, watched a huge Burmese python wrapped itself around an alligator. The two animals battled for more than 24 hours until the snake broke free and slithered off into the marsh. These snakes, which can grow to a length of more than 20 feet, live in Southeast Asia. So, how did they get here? Burmese pythons are important as pets. People may be attracted to the cute little hatchlings, but often many owners dump them when they get too big. In the Everglades, pythons now compete for food with top predators like the alligator, and they are not the only invaders that have adapted to this habitat. Large Cuban tree frogs are eating smaller native frogs. Wild hogs are pigging out on native plants, damaging landscape as they root up vegetation. However, the most harmful exotic species here may be a plant called the Molecula or paper tree. People brought this tree from Australia to Florida to plant in private yards. Winds quickly blew its seeds out to the wild. Here, they became dangerous as they grew close together, soaking up almost 5 times more water than native trees. In the Everglades, dense areas of molecular shade is out other plants and dry out the soil. Many biologists believe that the best we can do is to contain these exotic species. Some national park guardians are asked for volunteers to help clear away invasive species. They also urge people to take these steps. Never release your pet into the wild. Avoid planting exotic species in your own garden. Urge your legislator to vote for conservation methods that can help restore the Everglades. Thank you for listening. Bye.